I am gonna play some same game that we made. Part one, it was nice, but I only get the ball. So I'll try again. Anyways, let's start. Did you just have it? Bro, I got a game on monitor. That's not bad. Bro, it isn't. Guys, did you hear sounds from this game? Comment below. Bro, get a pro PC and then you're finished. Bro, you knew. What? You not. Bro, why are you jumping? Don't you dare. Bro, finally. Okay. Bro, guys, I kind of wonder if I do that. Bro! Bro, it's a pro PC again. Can I get another one? All of them had pro PC. And I will replace it with this Oceana. So, it's like, it's okay, back. Just kidding, dude. Anyways, how much? Why there more? Looks like they're working in my office. Where are they now? Or I'll smash them with my hammer. And it was so big. Golden keyboard. Bro, what is this? Bro, what do I choose? Golden keyboard and mouse. Golden keyboard and mouse. Replace it. There you go. You're welcome, dude. Bro, I got the Hello Kitty PC from the part one. But if yeah, 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 I even got this free items. If you want the free items, then search this YouTuber who like so eat a free items called Lila, of course. Anyways, just search her. So I got free items. And this is not from Lila. This is from someone else, someone in particular. Anyways, this you do. Anyways, this is one of course. I got three pink cake. So I will told you the tutorial. Let's go to the game. Bro, not this again. Fast spin. Nah, dude, I'm gonna not do that. You sure? Nah, dude, you're joking me. Can I click A? Can I click like a Atu? Oh, listen. Right now, give me more. Bro, why did you choose a different color? Happy Bata! Yeah, okay, but now. Bro, it looks like a shop is coming. Bro! Spin? Fast spin? Bro, do guys. Bro, not monitor. The decoration shop. Discard parts. Bro, where are they? 1 million? Bro. Why? Oh, yeah! Diamond PC. Want some? There we go. Get the diamond key. Alright guys, if you want the diamond key, then leave like that. Now we'll search you in game. Diamond monitor. Yeah! Where's the same monitor? Looks like we need a... It's okay dude. Here we go. Diamond monitor. Yay! And then get the golden. keyboard and mouse. So I'll just wait until I got the diamond keyboard with a mouse. Yeah, totally. Bro, a golden monitor? Dude, this is not bad. Where should I put it? Over there. If you had a golden keyboard? Oh, so, bro, you tricked me, dude. Nuts! Oh, never mind. I'll steal this diamond monitor right now. Okay, right now, bro, where should I put it? So you get the diamond monitor? How much is it? Bro, it's the same one. Gamer monitor. No, dude, I'm not getting the keyboard. What? Can I get the settings? Bro, can bro, Wi-Fi? What do you mean Wi-Fi? No, dude, I'm scared of heights. Dude, oh, so I got like, ouch, my head. So anyways, I'll make sure to go back to floor one. Go over here now. So guys, if you got a monitor in your house, comment below. Not to spin. You don't want that. Right now, Pro PC is like this. Alright, right now I'm gonna make sure stop it. Dude, what did I saw? Comment below if it's a rainbow or not. Dude, guys, can you shut up and don't say no? Please, I need it for my subscribers. So right now I'm sure that I already got it. And then let's replace it with there we go, going to see. But now I'm gonna make sure guys. So bro, basic keyboard in return. Bro, office monitor. 300k? Bro, that's not bad. Bro, keyboard and mouse. I don't want it anymore. I just want my favorite. Nah, dude, you literally give me the wrong one. Right now, golden soul. Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. There. Bro, can I go up? Dude, I can even go up. Where is it? Bro, I cannot go. Where is it? But let's go to floor one instead. Is that guy? Bro, I don't know if he's wearing properly. I'm gonna change the decorations now. Made it modern table. Oh, okay. With this, this, there. Now the chairs. This. Ayo, why are you this? Yay! Oh, I think I brought so much. Is this how you sit? Place there. And then your turn, since you are in the diamond, this one will be replaced. It's too heavy for me. Office table. Next is the studio. Bro, where is it? Right now, I'm gonna make sure. There we go. So the beanie bag will be comfortable even when you sit on it. Okay, okay. Guys, don't tell me that I don't talk. Oh, what's this? I'm just imagining. Please give me a chance. Dude, you literally index. So, what's this? Whoa, what abortion? Right now, I'm gonna make sure to get it. Whoa, what is this do? Still a pro PC. I need to get it. Dude, I'm so lucky. This game makes me happy. Finally! Bro, I got it. Bro, which one has? I totally forgot that I got a floor. Now they will work. Hey yo! Maybe downstairs is better, right? Bro. It's time. 30 minutes? Nah, dude, I will not waste my time. My money king? Dude, it literally, bro, it makes 200k minutes? Alright, that's close. I'm really lucky. I'm really lucky. So, next event is 10 minutes. I spent a while. So what time is it? Do you literally? Uh, right now. Oh, oh, crazy. I down the picture. Bro, give me a chance. Bye bye, guys.